everyone, welcome on my channel. In this video I have law enforcement body camera. You can also say pocket camera. The brand name is law enforcement. It's not the camera law enforcement using cheap. I bought it from Amazon. It's been 2-3 months since I have this camera. I used a couple times. I really like it, so I decided to make a video. If you are under budget, you want to start something like you want to make a blog, YouTube videos, or you want to record what you're doing, some kind of exercise or other stuff. So we will open box, see what is inside, how this camera look, and we will test. We will make some videos, and I will have those videos end of this video so you can see what the quality look like from this camera. As I say, I have used already, so this camera I have opened it before. So first you will get instruction manual. It will tell you all about the camera buttons, how to use. Then you have a small camera inside, rechargeable with USB-C cable, and you will get USB-C cable, not the adapter. You have to use your own adapter. So these all three things you get inside the box. If your camera have a low battery, charge before you use. Also, you need a memory card to start recording some videos. You need a TF memory card. It does not come included. Now let's take a look a little close to the camera. That's the front screen. Here is camera on the top. It's pin. You can do to the front, or you can move to the back side. Have a clip and have a magnet. You can also put in a pocket. You can stick. You can also tie top of your tripod. Camera is either way. You can move to top and just go back and forth only. So now let's start from this side. You will see this button. It's on a video recording right now. If you press down after recording, it will save your video. That's the power button to turn off and on. This one up and down key. This one camera lens quality you change. This one if you want to take a photo or a video at night vision. And this side you will see there a little hole to record audio. This one if you're recording audio, then to save audio, menu, reverse, reset button, and TFE card slot. We're gonna put card inside first before we turn on. Just to let you know, it will go only one way. You cannot put wrong way. Now we're gonna turn on. Just press and hold the power button. You will see there's a little light flashing. Camera on. So it's not recording right now. I'm gonna press down, press up. Now you see it start recording. So basically what you have to do, you have to press this button down and up. It will start recording. Right now it's recording video. Says 11 seconds. We want to save, just press down. So it got saved in your memory card. So you can take this memory card, add to your computer, save this photo and videos to your computer. I just want to mention here, it says 4K because the quality I have set to 4K, but I'm not sure it's different, but 4K from the iPhone and 4K from this one is not the same. 4K from this one is a little bit low quality than iPhone. So that's all. If you wonder for 4K, I believe it was recording 1080p. The second thing, if you record any video you cannot see here, you have to take this memory card, put in your computer, and check all the videos. Also, you can record only audio. The way we record video, you just push down, push up, it will start recording audio. When you press down, it will save audio. Now if you go to the menu, you will see there's all kind of settings. You want to change your resolutions for the video. Here we're gonna go down key. It's really hard to see because it's too much brightness. The second one is the photo resolution. If you want to change cycle record, means if your memory card full, it will start deleting the old one and start recording new ones. You have white balance, EV, audio. There's a lot of other settings. Record date tags if you want to record a date on your video. If you want to turn on and off a beep sound, time settings, auto power off, like so you can set the time. If you're not using, it will be automatically turned off. Language setting, I have a couple other languages than English. It's a Hertz screensaver. If you want to put screensaver, like once you have a camera not in use, it will go to screensaver. Format, you want to format your memory card, you put first time memory card. The best idea to format it the first time. So that's all with this camera. We are done with all the buttons, everything. It's really good quality, lightweight, and battery. If you use partially, it will leave for 2-3 days. And if you're using continuously, it will at least for like 3 to 4 hours. Now I will record some videos and photos. I will leave it end of this video so you can review the quality of the video and photo. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.